yo, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Show doing Cup of Friction. This is going to be interesting. Its scratch is going down, the texture rough, like swallowing sandpaper soaked in fire. My skin starts to itch, too raw and too tight. I can feel every shift, every movement, like the air itself is grinding against me. That is friction. What the fuck? Okay. Like Edward Scissorhands, but with a fucking pyramid's fucking blade. And apparently has the scar of Kratos. What the fuck are you? Fucking belt-bound heroine. What the actual fuck is that name? Seriously though, like what the fuck? Oh my god. You sound like you're ready for battle, much like fucking Ares. Jesus Lord remembers that fucking video. I do. Goodness gracious. Alright, that is the Cup of Friction. Enjoy this episode. Please stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.